them?
No.
No. He repaid them with goodness.
Humbleness.
Humbleness and goodness. And they were scared, right? Because they tried to kill him. They sold him. Now he's the prime minister.
They didn't know that yet.
They didn't know that yet. So they sent him back. What happened?
He asked.
They tried to steal.
He asked them to go back and bring Benjamin.
Yeah. But Jacob don't want to let Benjamin go with them because Joseph died and then he only left with Benjamin. And he gonna be dead. Like that's it for him, right? But still, they bring Benjamin. They set it up again.
Yeah.
Remember?
And then he kept Benjamin there.
Oh, Benjamin.
They had to go
They
back.
planned that the cup was stolen by Benjamin. So when they
held him there. The
Yeah,
brothers
yeah.
came back to Jacob without Benjamin.
Yeah, and then
It's so
Jacob
bad.
was no. Oh, it's a good story, eh? So that's what it. So this 12 tribe. So Joseph take them to Egypt, and they live there. They give a land for the Jews. So the Jews multiply. The Pharaoh died. Joseph died, and then there's a new Pharaoh, Ramsey, and say he was scared.
Isn't that Moses' brother?
Oh yeah,
before.
I know that. So they were scared that these Jews are multiplying. If they rebel, they're gonna be out of number. So what happened?
Slave.
Slave?
No, they killed the boys.
They
kept
killed
the
the
girls.
boys.
Killed the boys, kept the girls.
All the Jews that gonna be born boys, kill them. But if it's a girl,
They kept it.
let them live because they're gonna slave. So, but only one boy survived.
Yeah.
Moses.
Yeah.
Moses. The mom hide him for how long?
What? 5 days? A week? No.
7 weeks.
3 months.
Ah, shoot.
So
Yeah.
imagine a baby you will hide it. What if it's cry? So it will be hard time
You
to
crazy?
hide it. Huh? And then they saw the daughter of the Pharaoh saw him. Then he became good in school. He became educated, and then he killed a Hebrew. And
No,
then
what?
he
I thought he killed an Egyptian.
the Hebrew was punished, and he killed the Egyptian who punished the Hebrew.
But you said he killed the Hebrew. I was like,
And
what?
then he was banished, or in some of the Bibles they said he ran away for 40 years.
I think he ran away.
He aged 40 years in wilderness. Then God said,
Go back.
"Get my people."
Get my people out of
No,
there.
so
Let
he's
my
80.
people go.
And then when he lived the 10 plagues and everything, they wandered.
It was
for-
10? I
Huh?
thought it was more than 10.
10 plagues.
I thought it was more than 10.
10 plagues dun sa
10
nasa-
legs.
10
Plagues.
plagues.
Oh.
Plagues, like 10 curse. Curse, okay?
10
Okay,
legs.
so we stay that. That's too much. So that's the 12 tribes, okay?
10 legs.
Okay. So Galilee, that's Jerusalem. Okay. And then
He got arrested.
John
Get
was
arrested.
arrested for, this is like for accusing the king of marrying the wife of the brother.
Oh.
Okay.
Messed up, man.
I
Messed
know.
up.
So then John the Baptist was prisoned, and then Jesus start his ministry. And then she starts calling the
Peter.
disciples.
Peter.
Peter and who's the
Andrew.
brother? Andrew and
Andrew.
And
And
Simone.
James and
John.
John. James and John. Right?
Sons of Thunder.
Son of Thunder.
Yeah.
Loki.
No.
Then he go from Capernaum and everything. Okay? Okay. So he make miracles. This one I told you. What happened here? You
Well,
remember?
the demon.
The
There's-
demon.
The guy was possessed by many demons. And
Yeah,
the
by
demon
legion.
Said, he said, "Don't banish us, just send us to the pigs."
Yes, that's right. It's in the Bible.
I don't know.
This is we watch this in the Joseph. This is like man cannot walk and they can enter the house, so they go on the roof. rip the rope and bring him down. Okay. And the blind. This is the where he goes. He go to Decapolis, Judea, Galilee. Okay, now chapter 5. Tapos na, ayos na.
Oh,
Lampas na.
that's fine.
Wala, chapter 5 tayo. Wala naman tayo last time.
I forgot that's touchscreen. I was like, what do you do? So,
Yeah, touch ito.
God.
So chapter 5 is all about beatitudes.
We're still not
We're
past
still
it.
in the best, but we are on the last one.
Yeah.
Last one, okay? We're on the last one. Last time we discussed about the